Hello. Welcome back to school. It is about 14. No. Gosh, I don't even know what time it is. It is 1,600 hours, give or take. It's about 1,600 hours. I am needing to do some arithmetic. I was gonna go practice before choir because they got stuff going on this week, so I gotta go to choir. I was gonna practice beforehand, but my phone was kind of dying, so I spent the past hour charging it while watching videos on Tempo. So for the next hour, since my phone is mostly charged, and I don't want to really go and get dressed and practice for, I don't know, an hour or so, and then just to go to choir, I'm just gonna do some arithmetic, and then I'll get dressed for choir. So yeah, about 1,700 hours, and then I'll be ready for choir. So that's my plan. And I still have to get my pages done before early sometime next week. Apparently new rules are going to be implemented, but I don't know about that yet in full detail. So, continuing on with the arithmetic, I'm going to switch back to the Wentworth's primary arithmetic. We are kind of at roughly the same section. Ooh, did you guys hear that? My wrist is... Ow! Ooh, I gotta care for my thumb. My wrist is cracking. Yeah. So, we're on fractions in both books. And remember, this is like all catch-up work that I'm having to do. So, we're on fractions. I don't know how many pages I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do 3. This book has like 5 pages left. Let me see quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So I think I'll do 3 pages, and then I'll do 2 pages, and then I will be caught up to section 2, or B, section B, which is when you go into the other numbers with 11, 12, 13, 14. These pages will actually start to line up again with what it is we're doing in class. And so, yeah. So currently we're working through a bunch of pages in class that have deal with the number 11, and also, review work, because I still suck at the basics in everything. Okay, so this is page 62, lesson 14. Making sure I'm reading it right. Yeah. And this is dealing with the fractions. Oh, we got 2 lessons on 1 page. Oh my gosh. And then we got another lesson. So this thing's... Theoretically, we're going to cover like 5 lessons. 4 or 5 lessons in this thing. Yeah. Okay. So we have some squares, and so a circle, and another square. Okay. Into what is the circle divided? The circle is divided in half. And I got something wonky with my neck. I think I laid on my neck wrong or something, because it's all, like, it doesn't work on this side. Yeah. The circle is divided into 2 parts. Into what are the squares divided? Oh, into what? So not like how many parts, but what are the parts actually called? The circle is divided into a half, and the squares are also divided into half. Continuing. Oh boy, we got more of these stupid sticks. 1/2 oh my gosh. 1/2 of these is, oh my gosh, I don't know how many sticks there are. Let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1/2 of these sticks is going to be 4. That's if I counted these right. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah. These are going to be divided up into 2. So 4 is going to be 1/2 of this first group. The second group, 2, 4, 6. The second group has 6 sticks, and its half is going to be 3. Yeah, I'm still having to think on these. 1/2 of the next group, 1, 2, no, that's 4, 6. What? 2, 4, 6. What? I guess it's 3 again. Did I miscount on the second one? 1. Oh, you know what? I think I miscounted. 1. Yeah. The second group only has 5. I was going buggy probably. The second group has 5. So I think half of the 5 would be 2 and 1/2 stick. I think that would be correct on that one. That was a miscount because I can't count these sticks over 3. Maybe over 4. Okay. And the next one has 6 sticks, and that one, the half is 3. And then the next one, it has 3 sticks, and the half of that is going to be 1 and a half a stick. Yeah. Okay. And then the next thing says copy and complete. Or copy and write the answers. So, yeah. This will all be written out in my arithmetic book so that I have written work is turn in. I don't know if I'm going to make it to choir. Oh my gosh. I want to go to bed. Okay. 1/2 of 2 is 1. 1/2 of 4 is 2. 1/2 of 6 is 3. 1/2 of 8 is 4. 1/2 of 1 is 1/2. 1/2, 1 is 1/2 of 2. 4 is 1/2 of 8. 3 is 1/2 of 6. 2 is 1/2 of 4. And that's it. That's it for that lesson. Luckily, I don't have to change the page. I got something itching on my arm and I don't know what it is. And it's not my hand. It's like something in my arm that itches. Okay, lesson number 15. Yeah, because the other one was 14. Now we're going to deal with the fourths. And it's pretty much the same setup as the other one. All the next page has lots of writing. Okay. Into what is circle divided? The circle is divided into fourths. Into what are the squares divided? The squares are also divided into fourths. This is copy and write the answer. Now I gotta think. I gotta think on crotchets here now. 1/4 of 8. These are gonna be harder. 1/4 of 8 is 2. 2 is 1/4 of 8. 1/4 of 4 is 1. 1 is 1/4 of 4. 1/4 of 2. 1/4 of 2. I gotta think. If I have 2, how many fourths? What is 1/4 of 2? Well, this is 1/2 of 2. What if I cut it in half? What if I cut the fingers in half? Would that be 1/4? So would that be a half? I don't know. I'm going to say it's a half. 1/2 is 1/4 of... What? Hold on, I gotta figure this out because I don't get this. Okay. So 1/4 of 2. So is that saying that 2/4 is 1/2? But I don't know. I hope we cover this more in class. These are hard. I think it's saying that 2 is equal... No. 1/2... 2 halves? No. 2 halves is equal to 1/4? No. I don't know. We're just gonna say that 2... No. What is it? 1/2... 1/2 is 1/4 of 2. Why? I don't know. But I can tell you that there is a pattern in this book, and I'm going to go with it. And if I don't understand the pattern, then, oh well. Next page. Next page. We are on lesson 16. Oh, crap. Now we're dealing with thirds. Oh, no. This is a bunch of writing, too. I might need to get adjusted so I can read this better because I can't read well with what it is I've got set up here. Hold on. We're going to move you guys over here. I'm going to move here. And hopefully there's still enough room. I didn't even look to see where I'm going to post the pages. Oh, well. If I have to post them on my ugly face, it's fine. Okay. So, now we're dealing with a half. No, we're dealing with a third on page 62. No, 63. Lesson 16. Okay. Into how many... Into what is this circle divided? The circle is divided into thirds, I think. That's what they want. Into what is the rectangle divided? The rectangle is divided into thirds. Express 1/3 with figures. Okay, I'll just tell you. It's 1, and then there's a horizontal line. Or is it a vertical line? There's a line of some sort. I'm gonna say an oblique line. There's an oblique line, and then there's a 2. Wait. It's a 3, not a 2. I still have that 1/2 stuck in my head. Okay, so that will be written out when I write these all out. Copy the drawings at the top of the page. Okay. So I guess I copy out the drawings. They didn't have me copy out the other drawings. That's prejudiced against the 1/2 and the 1/4. Yeah, but I'll have to copy those out when I write these out. What part of the circle is this? Holy crap. Good question. Let me see if I can find it on this page. Is it the third? I think that's the third. It looks really weird. I'm going to say that's the third. And what part of the circle is this? That's the 1/2. And then this, that's the 1/4. Find 1/3 of this. It has a big rectangle and it has a line going across it. So do I have to divide that into thirds? Find 1/3 of that. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do that one. Find 1/3 of that. I don't know. I think I have to divide it up into 3. But there's gonna be 6 things there because I already drew 1 across. So I gotta draw 2 of them up and down. I don't know. Okay, next section. Where does it say the find 1/3 of this? I don't know. That's an even number. You can't divide an even number into an odd number. It's going to be offbeat or something. It's going to be really wonky. That's 1, 2. Yeah, that's going to be really wonky. Find 1/3 of that. I don't know what a third is. Like, do they just want you to mark in the boxes that's a third? I don't know. This is really weird. Okay, now I get to play with the sticks again. I'm going to ask teacher if he can help me with that because I don't understand that. Find 1/3 of these sticks. Hold on, I gotta count them up because there's a lot of sticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1/3 of 6 sticks is gonna be 2 sticks. Find 1/3 of these sticks. 1/3 of 3 sticks is gonna be 1 stick. Find 1/3 of these sticks. Holy cow. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I think 1/3 of 9 sticks is going to be 3 sticks. What is 1 part? Oh, wait. What is 1 part of 3? What? 1 is what part of 3? 1 is what part of 3? 1 is 1/3 of 3. I don't like fractions. I don't like fractions. Says the one that deals with fractions when they practice music. I gotta figure out where I'm at. Okay, so I got 1/3 of 3 is 1. Wait, 1 is 1/3 of 3. 2 is what part of 6? 2 is... Oh, crap. 2 is 1/3 of 6. These are getting harder. 3 is what part of 9? 3 is 1/3 of 9. I don't like these at all. I really don't like these. If a triangle with equal sides is 6 inches round the outside, how long is one side of the triangle? 6 inches round? Triangles have points, not round. They're not round. What is the question? If a triangle with equal sides is 6 inches round the outside, how long is one side of the triangle? Is it 2 inches? I think it's 2 inches. If a cup of cream, okay. I think it's starting to get dark outside. It's been really overcast all day, so this is really funky to read. Where did it go? If a cup of cream costs 6 cents, what will 1/3 of a cup cost? 2 cents? If 3 oranges cost 9 cents, what does 1 orange cost? 3 cents? Next one. A hen had 6 chickens. 2 were white and the rest were black. The white chickens were what part of the whole number of chickens? Oh my gosh. 6 chickens. And 2 of them were white and all the rest were black. The white chickens were 1/3 of the whole number, I guess. Next page. This is lesson 17. I have no clue what these things are. Find the answer by squares. Find the answers by squares. Page 64. Lesson 17. I have no clue what that means. Okay. How much is 1/4 and 1/4? 1/4 and 1/4. Now, do you add the both numbers? Do you add the top number and the bottom one? Or do you just add the bottom one? Well, let me see. Let me think on this logically. So if I have 1/4 and 1/4, if I literally write out 1 and then the word fourth and then 1/4, so would that be 2/4? So the word fourth would be the equivalent of an apple, 1 apple and 1 apple. It's just an item of something. In this case, we're not dealing with apples. We're dealing with fourth. Or a quarter. 1/4 and 1/4 are 2 quarters. Alright, we're going to do that. 1/4 and 1/4 are 2 quarters. I'm going to go down these columns. How much are 2 quarters and 1/2? Uh-oh. I don't know if you can do that. And I don't even know if I'm reading these right, because these numbers are getting hard to read with the light getting dim. Hold on, let's see what this says. Okay, maybe I'll just do the rest of them like this. Okay, so I'm gonna make this nice and big. Yeah, that is 1/2. Oh, yeah, that's 1/2, 1/4, and 1. My page moved. My page is moving. That's not good. Okay. How much is 1/4 and 1/4? That is 2 quarters. How much is 2 quarters and 1/2? 2 quarters is that, and 1/2 is that. 2 quarters and 1/2. Is it 1? Is it 1 whole? I'm going to say it's 1 whole. The next one says, wait, this says answer by the squares. Oh, I wonder if they mean answer by these squares? Because there's a bunch of squares here. Yeah, we're going to go with these squares. Okay. Where did I leave off? 2 quarters and 1/2 is 1 whole. 2 quarters and 2 quarters are 4 quarters. And I think that's also a whole. Yeah, because there's 4 quarters in a whole note. The next one says 2 quarters Or is that 3/4? Hold on. That's 3/4 and 1/4. 1/4. 3/4 and 1/4 is 1/2 and 1/4. It's would be like the equivalent of a dotted half note. But it's 1/2 and then it's a quarter. Okay, moving over to the next section. Oh, the kitty just woke up. Continuing. She wants her tuna. Okay. 1. Is that a 4th? Oh, it's 4/4. Hey, it's 4/4. Time signature. In 4/4 are in 4/4 are how many halves? 1/2. In 4/4 there are 2 halves. And I only know that because there are 2 halves in a 4/4 meter in music. There are how much is 1/2 and 1/4? 1/2 and 1/4. That's a half note and a dot, or it could be tied to a quarter. Oh my gosh. 1/2 and a quarter. 1/2 and a quarter is like 3/4. I don't know what they want on these. How much is 3/4 and 1/2? 3/4 and 1/2. Oh boy, that's a lot. 3. That's 3/4, and that's a half. So that is going to be 1 whole and then a quarter. We'll do that. The next one. This stuff is hard. We already did that one. Okay, how in 2/2? No, in 1/2 are how many quarters? 1/4. In 2/2 there are 4 quarters. No. In 1/2 there are only 2 quarters because there are only 2 quarter notes in a half note, regardless of the time signature. Okay, oh, we got more of these stupid things. Alright, well, we're just gonna keep reading off this way, because it works out pretty good. I got the cat literally almost on my book. So, I got the book sitting on the cat. It works very well. Fill in the blanks. Oh wait, we didn't do this page. We didn't do this part. This is like turning into be longer than I'd like it to be. What are the instructions? No. Okay, here we just got these blocks with these X's. And they're just marked off. I don't know what this means. I really don't know what this means. How much is 1 minus 1/4? So I'm assuming the whole block is 1. That would be 3/4. And I'm just looking at the block. Alright, we can do this. How much is 1 minus 2/4? 1/2. Also known as 2/4. How much is 1 minus... Holy cow. I'm assuming that says 3/4? Yeah. Yeah, that has to say 3/4 because I don't think you can have 8/4. They wouldn't do that. These people are very logical and they put their books together. How much is 1 minus 3/4? That would be 1/4. How much is 3/4 minus 1/4? Oh, crap. 3/4 minus 1/4 is 1/2. How much is 1/2 minus 1/2? No. How much is 1/2 minus 1/4? 1/2 minus 1/4? I don't know. 1/2 minus 1/4 is 1/4. I think. This stuff is getting hard. How much is 1/2 minus 3/4? Oh, I don't know if you can do that. I don't think you can do that. You can't take 1/2 out of... Oh my gosh. What the heck is that? I don't know what that is. It's like somebody doesn't know what the edge of the box is? I don't know. Oh no, that's your little sticks again. Kind of like up there. I don't know. I don't know how to do this. How much is 1/2 minus 3/4? I don't know. You're going to get a really wonky number. And I really don't want to think on this right now. Can I take 3? No, it's 1/2. So, like, we'll say it's... Well, there's 3/4. There's 1/2 and 3/4. You can't do that. You can't take away 1/2 minus... Is that 2/4 or 3? Hold on. Am I misreading that number? I think it's a 2/4 and not a 3/4. Yeah. Okay, never mind. We can do this one. 1/2 minus 2. 1/2 minus 2/4. 1/2 minus 2/4 is still going to be 1/2. Or 2/4. How much is 3/4 minus 1/2? 3/4 minus 1/2 is 1/4. How much is 2/4 minus 1/4? 2/4 minus 1/4 is going to be 1/4. I'm so glad. I can't wait till this page is over because this page is an absolute nightmare. Fill in the blanks. 1/2 and 4 is... Oh, wait. 1/2 of 4 is 2. 1/2 of 8 is 1/2 of 8 is 4. 1/2 of 6 is 3. 1/2 of 2 is 1. 1/4 of 8 is 2. 1/4 of 4 is 1. 1/3 of 9 is 3. 1/3 of 3 is 1. 1/3 of 3 is 1. 1/2 of 6 is 3. My thumb. Look at my thumb. Next section. Oh, shoot. 1/2 of 1 quart is blank pints. Hold on, I gotta think on these now. 1/2 of 1 quart is how many pints? I gotta think. How many quarts are in a pint? There's 2 quarts in a pint. No. Yeah! There's 2 quarts in a pint. So 1/2 of 1 quart is gonna be 1 pint. Oh boy! Next one says 1/2 of 1 quart is how many gills? 1/2 of 1 quart is now I gotta think. It's 4 gills. Hold on. 4 gills make up 1 pint. So it has to be 4 gills. It's 4 gills. 1/4 of 1 quart is how many gills? Didn't we just do that? Oh, this is 1/4 of a quart is how many gills? I don't know what a 1/4 of a quart is. Oh no. I don't know what 1/4 of a gill. Oh. Is it 1 gill? No, that's not right. 1/4 of 1 quart is how many gills? Now, if 1/2 is 4 gills, then 1/4 is half of that. So I think it's going to be 2 gills. We're going to go with 2 gills. 1/4 of 1 quart is 2 gills. 1/2 of 1 pint is 1/2 of 1 pint is 2 gills. And then, oh no, there's more. Oh no, there's more. 1/4 of a pint is 1 gill. 1 pint is blank of a quart. 1 pint is 1 pint is 1/2 of a quart. 4 gills. Trying to adjust my book. 4 gills are blank of a quart. 4 gills are blank of a quart. 4 gills are I gotta think here. Hold on. I don't know. 4 gills are 1. Well, it's 1 pint. Is it 4 gills is 1/2 of a quart? 2 gills are blank of a pint. 2 gills are 1/2 of a pint. 1 gill is blank of a pint. 1 gill is 1/4 of a pint. And that concludes this section. So, if you want to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget, ring the notification bell for all notifications.